You can call us Autobots for short.
Medical Officer, Ratchet.
Find the Allspark. We'll use its power to transform Earth's machine.
What's the matter with you? Can't you be quiet? He wants us to be quiet.
So we got a major issue here. What's with the light? You gotta stop the light. What's it up? Turn it up. You gotta tell him.
Optimus! Bartleby is a brave soldier. This is what he would want. Why? Cover fire! What is the meaning of this?
Alright, we're gonna drop fire from the left flank. I need a scout team.
I'm leading.
Go up through the...
All the while, we search.
General Counsel with Ukrainian Department of Energy.
Dino. Sideswipe, baby.
He locked himself.
Second stack.
No, please. What's wrong with you humans?
Autobots, Decepticons. Here.
But you can call us Autobots for short.
Medical Officer.
If the Decepticons find the Allspark, they will use its power.
The key to Earth's survival.
Wow, that was tingly. Oh, gotta try that.
Yeah, that looks... Oh, parents. The parents are very irritating.
Yeah.
Can I take them out? Incoming! Roll out!
Chinese and the Russians are...
I sense the Decepticons are getting ready to mobilize.
To save the humans. If all else fails, I will unite it with... Son, get to the building! New ones. Thank you. All of you. You honor us with...